In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up affiliate program on Payhip store. If you want other people to help promote your products in exchange for a commission, Payhip makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the affiliate area and how to get the sign up. Link you can share with potential partners. To begin, log into your Payhip account and go to your dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, and it's where you'll manage settings, products, marketing tools, and more. If you're already signed in, you should land here automatically. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct store before moving forward. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the marketing section in the navigation menu and click on it. This area contains the promotional tools available for your Payhip store. So if you plan to grow your sales through campaigns, discounts, or partnerships, this is an important section to get familiar with. Inside marketing, click on affiliates. This is where Payhip gives you access to your affiliate program tools. The affiliates area is designed to help you connect with people who want to promote your products. These can be creators, bloggers, influencers, customers, or anyone else who has an audience that fits your niche. After opening the affiliates section, locate the affiliate signup URL. This is the link people will use to join your affiliate program. In other words, instead of manually adding each affiliate one by one, you can send them this sign up page so they can apply or register through the proper link. Make sure you copy the correct URL carefully so you're sharing the right destination. Once you have that link, share it on your social media, your website, or directly with potential affiliates. For example, you can place it in a creator partnership page, add it to your footer, include it in an email, or send it in direct messages to people who may be a good fit for your brand. The easier you make it for people to find your affiliate sign up page, the more likely you are to attract promoters who can help expand your reach. A helpful tip here is to share the link in places where people already understand your product and audience. That usually leads to better affiliate partnerships and more relevant promotion. And that's it. You've now found your Payhip affiliate sign up link and made your affiliate program ready to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.